Hello guys, today my paru is cooking daliya and I will teach you how to cook daliya.
How do you like it?
What you need, Babu?
Pot.
Pot. Now what you need?
Pot.
What you are doing?
I'm making a daliya. Papa, give me water.
Yes, take the water. Now pour it in the pot. Yes. Pour some more water. Pour whole water. Pour it whole water, Babu. You put it in the glass. Yes. Now what you need?
I need the pot.
What? Now pour some daliya in the pot. A little. Yes. Pour it more. Pour it more. Pour it more. More. Now what you need, Babu?
I need the spoon.
Spoon.
Papa,
Yes.
give me salt.
Salt. You need salt.
No, spoon.
Spoon. Take the spoon. Now mix.
Like this one.
Paru, what you are taking, Babu? What you are taking?
I'm making the salt.
Salt. Now open the box.
Wow.
Now pour some salt in the daliya. Yes, it's okay. Pull.
Papa, I'm mixing the daliya.
Mix it.
Papa, let it boil.
For how much time, Babu?
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
No.
Okay, I will wait for 4 minutes. Mix it.
Let it boil.
Let it boil. Paru, how much time we need, Babu?
5 minutes.
We need to wait 5 minutes?
Yes.
And who will eat daliya?
Me.
And
Wait.
Vedu. You will share it with Vedu.
Yes.
Good girl.